Just Google or Facebook or YouTube the Port Angeles-Sequim car wash man, motorhome wash man. Just finished this fifth wheel motorhome. As you can see, I got all the mold off of the roof. It was very moldy. I don't think it's been washed in a while. We removed the mold from underneath all of the fixtures on the roof, including the solar panel. Mold out of the awning. It was growing out of the awning. So that turned out really good. It took 2 hours to do this roof. Yeah, that's not uncommon for a roof full of mold. So oh, we got a little spider. These spiders are really something else. I used about thousands of gallons of water on this motorhome, and this spider still lives here. And I pretty much covered every inch of this motorhome. I see that a lot. Anyway, out here at Rainbow Inn and Highway 101 in Sequim, Washington. And this one's about close to 40 feet, 38 to 40 feet long. Really nice motorhome to live in. And people are moving from another state, having a house built. So they're hanging out here and watching their house being built. It's pretty nice. So it's all clean. This one was very, very bad. I don't know if they've ever washed it before. They bought it used. It took 6 hours to wash this by myself. That's okay. It's very clean now because it's been meticulously done. And I thought it was going to take around 4 hours, but you know, you get into the job and find things that need to be done. They have to be done. So if it takes longer, it takes longer. Cleaned that shelf up there where the other awning is. Had to do that really good. All the sludge, dust off of there, or whatever, the thick layer of dirt. Underneath, washed also too. Super nice motorhome. Fifth wheel, should I say. So just Google or Facebook or YouTube the Port Angeles, or tell your friends. It's okay to share. Send them a video. You gotta have it washed at least once a year. That's my recommendation. You should wax it once a year too. The roof needs to be done at least once a year, especially if you're under a tree. Lady next door, her roof is really bad. Yeah, the sides look great, but you got to take care of that roof. You can spring leaks in it. You don't want to wear the roof out. Water starts to come in and all that. Anyway, have a great day.